I'm thinking maybe we drop, if we take the camera off and drop the aerial, we can go straight through there, yeah. Okay, let's do that then. So normally I wouldn't off-road after this rain, but with this being very close to us saying goodbye, and we don't know if and when if we'll ever see these guys again. Okay, I think we're going to drop it now, yeah. I think definitely worth it, but as you say, I don't want to damage the bush too much. And if we go in there, we're not going to get too much, and I think he's actually gone that way around rather than the other way around. Okay.
Ready to duck.
Let's do this. You're going to hold on to the camera. And just watch the aerial as well, the small aerial.
Yeah, I just want to pass first.
Yeah. Okay, good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just go. Are we good? Hold on, mind it. Yeah. Yes, made it. Standing by? Negative, we're having to leave him.
Okay, last location was northeast towards Wales. The lodge itself on that checklist side, around by the dam area.
Copy that. Yeah, just have a good look, because that's actually where we first saw him, was by the entrance to the lodge. Just in that little open area just towards the staff compound.
Okay, copy that.
With the tires. I think maybe just look that way just in case. We can have another look for whoever it was that was with him. Oh, Mark can pop out and say hello to us. Da, 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 da. Say hello to my room. And the garage. Okay.
And Mark.
I'm Mark. Hello! And FC for anybody that's never seen FC.
Have fun.
Bye! And there's the carport with Mark's Landy under it. And my little silver bullet. Not your typical bush car, but she does well. That was right place, right time, right price. Anyway, quick look at camp. And this is our driveway. So you're getting a behind the scenes look at where we are, what we're doing. Graham's house on the right.